In today's rapidly changing world, technology has become an integral part of our lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, was once primarily used by computer scientists and researchers. Now, AI is reshaping industries and educational institutions across the globe. CVTC is at the forefront of this technological revolution, leveraging AI to enhance the educational experience for our students and improve efficiencies for our employees. As AI continues to evolve, CVTC is actively exploring new and exciting applications that can benefit our students and community. Hear from CVTC employees as they share insights into how AI is being used now and discuss the potential impact of this technology on our daily lives.
As far as content generation, I think that's where it's really shining currently, and where it's going to be moving into the future. Anything you're generating creativity-wise, whether it's text, music, audio, video, all of those mediums, and the generation of that is where we're really seeing some significant movement.
So if you put a question into a large language model like ChatGPT, it'll predict what the next word in that sentence is. So it's really just a prediction machine.
I like to pull up ChatGPT in the classroom so that I can show students how to use it, and then it's like a more equitable way to use ChatGPT. And so when we can pull it up in front of class and they can look up a dialogue, we can go back and forth using a dialogue. Maybe they can learn or look up different expressions that are common in the English language, and have some back and forth where maybe they didn't get the exact right answer they want, and they can tweak or change their question a little bit to get exactly what they're looking for.
Crime scene enhancement or crime scene investigation enhancement. AI is able to look at crime scene photographs and identify pieces of evidence in a photograph that's been taken or a video that's been taken. So AI is assisting with the discovery of evidence at crime scenes.
Generative AI tools are being used to craft dynamic practice problems, interactive learning activities, and customize course materials designed to engage students and meet their individual learning needs. In this example, Sam was tasked to find an interactive solution in which students would spend time interviewing a school district principal. She was able to use Google's generative AI to brainstorm challenges schools are facing and then generate a script. She then used the text-to-voice software Play.ht to generate a friendly voice from the script. Adobe Firefly was used to create a still picture of the principal. Here Sam explains the combination of these elements in a case study that students would use in their course.
Lastly, we created an animated avatar and combined all of the AI components into the H5P branching scenario that you see here, so that when the avatar responds to our question, it gives the feel of a live interview.
That's a great question, as education often faces many challenges.
Finally, CVTC students share their thoughts about AI.
It can talk about different topics. Like I can bring up, okay, how did the Cold War look like on this front right here? Like how did these two things relate, and things like that. It has access to a large amount of data, which effectively makes it Google with a little more complexity, which is really nice.
I think that we can use it for the tasks that are repetitive and it's black and white. In areas where we need to use critical thinking or judgment or ethics, when those things come into play, that's where it gets kind of tricky. And I feel like humans need to handle that. AI, computers, technology can't empathize with you. They don't understand the complexities of everybody's situations. Everyone's unique. And for machines to adapt on the fly, I feel like is kind of difficult in those situations.
AI presents both exciting opportunities and challenges. At CVTC, we are committed to harnessing this transformative technology, empowering our students with cutting-edge skills, and fostering partnerships that drive progress.